The first week, I saw a significant difference and I felt different. So I don't know if that's typical. I know everybody's different, but within the first week, I could feel a difference in my joints.
I used it for months, continually got better and better until I got to the point that I wasn't sick at all anymore, and I'm in the condition that I am right now, which is perfect. I never felt better in my life.
The BioCharger is a health optimization platform, in fact, one of a kind. It's the only system in the universe that combines 4 distinct energy types, all that exist in nature and all that have scientific proof of the health and wellness benefits of them into one system, so that by sitting next to it for 15 minutes, your body is being recharged with these natural healing energies.
Not just physically, but mentally, brought me around to where I was myself again.
You don't have to do anything other than push a button and sit there and just relax. I can't do a whole lot because my joints are really not in great shape. So for me, using the BioCharger, being able to just sit quietly and meditate or think about my day or think about my evening if I'm doing it in the evening and what I've done, it's kind of nice.